Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maverick Lee, and I am in China. Today, I am going to try Guangzhou's very own dim sum. So we are looking for the dim sum, and here it is. Okay, the food has arrived. Let's start off with this prawn dumpling. It looks so beautiful. It looks like it's got some kind of roe, some crab eggs or some kind of eggs on top of that. So let's try dip it in the soy sauce, as you do. Let's give it a try. Very, very good. The soy sauce goes perfectly with the prawn. Okay, the next one. This one looks visually very, very delicious, but the question is the taste delicious? Let's find out. Now, as you can see in the center there, I have no idea what this is. It just looked very delicious on the photo, so that's why I selected it. And this sauce, I'm not too sure what this is too. It looks so good, I know that. I don't know what that is actually. It tastes like prawn inside. It's got a crunch. The crunch is almost noodle-like, like dry noodles, if you can imagine that. I just can't put my finger on what it is. It's really, really nice. I love the crunch to it. It's so, so good. And the sauce, I don't know what the sauce is. Oh, the sauce is like a peanut sauce, I think. Wow. So, so good. I would say the prawn dim sum is about a 4.3. I would say this, whatever this is right here, I would call it a prawn roll or something. This prawn roll, I would say, is a 4.5, maybe even a 4.6. Really, really nice. And next up, I ordered some beef noodles because, you know, we all like noodles, don't we? And most of us like beef, so let's try this beef and see how the beef tastes. I have to say, by looks alone, it looks perfectly cooked. Got some sesame seeds on too, so I like it nice and thin like that. Perfect. Really perfect. It's not chewy or nothing too. Let's try some noodles. The noodles are very good too, nice and light. I believe these noodles are called rice noodles. Very nice, they're not greasy, not oily. Really, really good. And I like them because they're slightly crispy. Not all of them, but just some of them, some parts of them. So it's the perfect balance. The noodles have a nice crunch to them. Now I know there's some onion in that, but the only way I can describe the crunch and even the taste is similar to Western chow mein with bean sprouts. So for those of you who's had Western Chinese food before, and you've had bean sprouts mixed in with the chow mein, and you crunch it, you get that crunch. It almost tastes like that, almost like the stir-fried bean sprouts. So it's quite nice, quite nice. And the beef is cooked ideally, just the way I like it. Not overcooked, not undercooked, nice, soft, tender, and not chewy. I would give that a 4.4, maybe a 4.5. Okay, next up we're going to try one of these little piglets right here. Now, I believe these are sweet in the center, if I'm not mistaken. So when I bite this, it should be runny salted egg in the center. I kept this one for last because this is considered the sweet, the dessert out of all of these. So let's see if I'm right. Look at it just running, dripping out there. Now that is the one. Wow. That is a definite 4.8. Definite 4.8. This is by far my favorite because I do have a sweet tooth, so it's perfect. Oh my goodness, I could eat these all day long. I'm not even joking. It's so good. Amazing. If you eat too many of those, you definitely need a drink to go with it, because the salted egg and the bread together is a little bit dry, but it is out of this world. That's so good, so good. Well, that's it, that's all. That is officially the end of my Guangzhou dim sum food review. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the other videos on my channel for further content like this. Let me know your thoughts below in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.